So this is our first actual true leak of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And it starts with this bad boy right here. This is the camera lens of the Z Fold 6. Looks a little bit different than the Z Fold 5 and other iterations of the Z Fold lineup. Obviously, we know that the Z Fold 6 is going to have the same camera scheme as the Z Fold 5. It's not going to be much different. Obviously, it's going to look different a little bit, but for the most part, it's going to be exactly the same. Actual camera and sensor wise. You're not going to get an update until you actually get to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. That's when we're going to get the actual first update. But, I mean, for our first leak, I was kind of expecting a little bit more than this, I'll be honest with you. I mean, I'm happy we got something, right? That's the plus here in the end. Beggar can't be a chooser, as they say. You have to kind of, sometimes you get wins, sometimes you get L's. But for the most part, I'm pretty excited. It looks good for a camera lens. Again, like I said, it's not much, but that's how tight-lipped, Samsung is being with this phone this year. Normally, we always get leaks and information drops of these phones, but this year, that's not the case. They're very tight-lipped. They're keeping to themselves, and they're preventing anyone from finding out any information. So, we'll see how this ends up turning out for that said reason, but I'm excited. I'm still excited about the actual Z Fold 6, which is the Ultra variant, which will come out later this year. This first variant I'm still excited about. It's just I'm more excited about the second variant. The second variant, I think, is going to be the one that everyone should be excited about and everyone is going to probably be talking about. And that's a variant I'm probably picking up myself. I might consider picking up the Z Fold 6 regular. It's just so similar. It's going to be so similar to the Z Fold 5 that it's like, if you own a Z Fold 5, this is probably not the variant you're going to want to pick up. But when it comes to, obviously, the Z Fold 6 Ultra, that's when we're actually going to see some upgrade. I kind of want to see the Z Fold 6 Ultra's variant. I want to see what that looks like when it comes to the camera lens. Because that's going to have an upgraded camera lens. That's rumored to have a 200 megapixel camera, which is very similar to what we see out of the Z Fold out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So it's going to be very similar to that design, and we'll have to wait and see how this ends up turning out. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions though, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.